Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, today I am featuring the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, and these guys right here are absolutely awesome. So, cleaning the sink right here, we redid our kitchen, having a little bit of trouble keeping this sink clean. So here is what I do. I use this guy here, put some soap on it, scrub the whole sink down. Then I go to this guy right here, put some soap on it, scrub the whole thing down. It gets the sink about 80% of the way clean. And I've already kind of cleaned it just real quickly with this magic eraser in a few spots, and I figured I'd make a video on this because I'm so impressed with it. These guys right here are relatively inexpensive. I'll put a link in the description below and you can check them out. But I get them on Amazon, relatively inexpensive, and they do a great job of getting to that next layer of cleanliness. And the sink is one of the few places I use it. It tells you on the back all these different areas you can use it in and all this good stuff. But the truth is, I've got about 5 or 6 different things in my house, including the shower, including the bathtub, and especially the sink right here, where you kind of have that leftover food where it's kind of almost a stain or just kind of like, I don't know, working its way into the sink. And this stuff does a really, really nice job. Let's take a look at some of this grossness. I was having a tough time. There's a little bit of stain here. Some of this food is kind of sticking pretty hard. So you get this guy, wet it down, get rid of the excess water, and that's it. They tell you don't use soap, don't use anything like that. Just use this actual product right here, with a little bit of water on it, and it really does a nice job. Now some of these guys right here are actually kind of pitted in from our pots and pans hitting, so that's not a stain. That's actually hitting that. Yeah, I know that's frustrating too, isn't it? But as far as getting rid of those layers of stains, you know, we had almost like coffee cup stains, but just coffee stains that are in there, and it really, really does a great job of it. Also, some of this nonsense that kind of builds up around the sink area. See this stuff here? So if you just kind of go around it nice and neat, and it really does a great job on these guys here. You can see I got some work to do there, got some work to do here, got some work to do there. It does a really, really great job of it. All right, guys. Hey, I hope you appreciate the product review. Check out the description below, and you can check these out for yourself. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.